You have probably heard the buzz around Neo's zero forex markup card. But do you know you can open a Neo DCB Bank account 100% online without visiting any branch and start spending globally like a pro? This is not just another savings account. The Neo DCB account is built for the modern traveler, freelancer, digital nomad, or honestly, anyone who wants more control over their money. In this video, I'll walk you through how to open your new DCB account step by step. Highlight its standout features like real-time expense tracking, zero forex charges, and a smart mobile banking experience. And I'll even tell you a few things most people miss when signing up. Stick around because by the end, you will know whether this account is worth it or just another flashy fintech hype. So, first things first, how to open a Neo BCB account online. First, download the Neo Global app from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you open the app, select the Global DCB option. All you need, once you open the app, select the Global Neo DCB option. You will need your, at first, to open the account, you will need your name, your phone number, email, and the city you live, and that's it. After that, you will need your pen or Aadhaar card and a selfie for KYC, and that's it. You're pretty much ready to go. After that, all you have to do is wait for your approval. After approval, your account is live and you will receive your virtual card instantly. A physical card is delivered within a few days. So there are some options. I mean, pretty much many options for accounts. If you want, you can open Happy Savings Account, Elite Savings Account, Neo Savings Account, Smart Cash, Privilege Classic, Basic. There are a lot, to be honest. Even they have the Business Saver Account, Elite Current Account. I mean, these are current account and these are savings account. Classic Current and the special program has a DCB Special and DCB Wow. Let's see the features of this. Before, here's a quick tip for you. Before applying for any account, I suggest you to read everything about all the accounts. Like, first start with the Happy Savings account, read all these highlights, and even the most important thing you should know before applying for any account is this: average account balance in a quarter, minimum transaction amount for cashback, minimum eligible UPI transactions per month, and which one suits you the best. After looking in every options, after that decide which card you should have or apply. Yeah, so that's the quick tips for you. Let's move on to the second point: zero markup, zero forex markup. What that really means, unlike most banks that charge you 3.5 on every international transaction, Neo DCB charges literally 0%. That means whether you're booking a hotel abroad, paying for Netflix in USD, or shopping from an international website, there is no hidden fee added on the top of the exchange rate. At number 3, real-time conversion and tracking. One of the most impressive features, the Neo Global app lets you see real-time currency conversion and live expense tracking. You will get instant notification for every swipe, and the app shows how much you're spending in both in your native currency or in the local currency. Super helpful when you're traveling. And number 4, global ATM withdrawals and travel friendly perks. You can use your new DCB card at international ATMs. While the ATM provider might charge a fee, Neo doesn't add extra fees on top and anything. Plus, the account comes with travel insurance, at airport lounge access, offers, and easy reloads from your linked bank account via UPI and FT. Last but not least, here's some unique extras. This is not just a travel card. Even if you're not traveling, this account works great in your native country too. You can use it like normal savings account, pay bills, shop online, and even earn interest. It also supports UPIs, so you can link it with PhonePe, Google Pay, and other apps like any regular bank. So That's it for today. The Niyo DCB account is one of the most powerful digital bank account right now. Especially if you're someone who shops or travels internationally, you get the convenience of opening it completely online, zero forex charges, transparent spending insights, and all the features of a modern savings account all in one. If you're someone who's tired of hidden bank fees or just want a smarter way to manage your money globally, this might be the right account for you. So hit that like button if this video helped you and comment below if you want a comparison between Neo SBM and Neo DCB or want me to cover the best forex card in India. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos that simplify banking, travels and smart money moves. I'll catch you in the next one.